Hello, my name's Jason Andrews and welcome to the Clothesline store. In this short video, the Hills factory trained professional will show you how to install the Hills Supa Fold Mono Clothesline.
Hi, my name is Fern. I'm here today to talk about Hills Supa Fold clotheslines. The range includes longline, duo, mono, compact, mini, and they can be installed on a wall or with a post kit. Today we're installing a Supa Fold mono single frame on a wall. The Hills mono single frame clothesline kit includes front spreader bar, left and right hand arms, 2 wall brackets, clothesline and 2 elbows. To attach the clothesline to the wall, you need to mark the dynobolt holes 50mm above the user's head and 2.2 metres apart. To install the wall bracket to the wall, firstly remove the cover from the bracket. Place the dynobolt into the wall bracket and then place in the hole. Check the wall bracket is square and then tighten up the dynobolt. Use the bracket to mark the bottom hole. Remove the screws from the spreader bar. Insert the spreader joiner into the spreader bar, like so, and tap it down. Make sure the holes line up. Secure the joiner with the bolt and insert the remaining bar. Secure the handle to the spreader bar with the 2 bolts. Remove the cap from the elbow. Place the elbow in the spreader bar and tighten with an Allen key. Place the arms in the wall bracket and tighten the bolts. To install the front bar, place the elbow into the side bracket and tighten. Replace the cap on the elbow joint until it clicks. Thread the cord into the fastener and replace the cap. To thread the cord, commence on the opposite side to the saddle and pass it through the sleeve. To tie off, we pass the cord through the fastener, twist it and then replace the cap.